room now.
Me know.
Tomorrow, if you want to go live, man, we're going on.
Thank you for your cap. Everybody, we have 46 seconds left. We need to make sure it's me win and we can make that show sing any song.
There's no say.
If me lose, me I come off and me not do nothing.
No.
Yes? Everybody, we have our next glove. Everybody use the glove. We need big gift. Money going hand hot. Bantam girl, thank you for your donut. We need as much as we can. 50 of them if you don't want. Thank you for your donut.
Alright, no.
Everybody use the glove. We have 13 seconds left. We need donut, money gun, any gift. We need to like at least 3,000. We have 6 seconds left. Everybody say watch for your snipe. If they didn't get our money gun, we're done. We have 3 seconds left. Hopefully we'll win.
Come on, snipe.
And final minute. Too late. Everybody choose a song for Joshua sing. We have 7 win. Joshua never got him there yet. Everybody choose a song for Joshua sing, and I will sing any song. Bantam girl, him here, you know. Anybody, we need just one song for him sing. Him to sing a Vibes Carter song, no. Him don't need that. We not no more Dear Game, you know. We have something else.
We not do not more than Dear Game.
Hit me long time ago. Alright? We know that's right now always hit you, bro. Let him rap a 50 cent. Nah, something different than that. No ABC.
Lyrics are not song. So why I'm saying we cannot sing? Alright?
You know what?
So you have to give me something different feeling. So we'll go and run the match until you figure it.
No.
Yes?
Alright, that's why I gotta sing 30 seconds out on Bob Marley song. Find one, go and search one. Alright, we not no more Dear Game, cause I'm no hard way.
Because we cannot sing, no.
Alright, dance for a minute then.
We don't know if we dance.
Do it. Full minute.
No.
Alright, no more Dear Game. Alright, Joshua no want to dance, so we not no more Dear Game.
You cannot ask me if we dance or sing, we can't do anything else.
No, because you know how I go do it.
We don't dance or sing.
Tell him to send your money gun. Alright, send me one kitten.
How much do that? Me die.
What?
Me die.
Come off.
Alright, when we come off, we send you a kid. I'm going to hear that.
Alright, you have to send one kitten and one.
Just know, say, if you lose that game, yeah, you have to send one effing lion.
No?
Yes.
No.
More. So
Alright, we're not having no more Dear Game. Dear Game
We
done.
not done Dear Game because we still know one.
No.
Yes.
That now go work.
And so Dear Game, where you don't get fit a win on Dear and then
Yes, him unfair. Him no want to do nothing.
you want anyone Dear Game? You do one Dear, alright, you lose, you do one Dear, and then decide say, me don't do Dear Game.
Yes.
You know, win one Dear Game and then decide say, yo, me don't do Dear Game. And so what?
No, Dear Game done because you know what I do it. You know what I sing, you know what I dance.
You win one Dear, so me have to send you a kitten and me take it, me agree. And me have send you a kitten.
No, I don't kitten where I do.
Now what?
You have to dance for 1 minute straight. Are we done? Alright, Bantam girl, later. Everybody say later to Bantam girl. Alright, speed challenge start. We gotta get a double if we win. We need, think so 4 gift or 5. And we need 4 gift of 10 rows. Since a Dear Game done since Joshua know do not how to tell him. It done. Alright, thank you for your rows. We need 3 more gifter. That's 3 more rows. Sure, sir. Out of 175, we don't have rows. We need 2 more. We have 30 seconds. Thank you for your rows. Thank you, Bantam girl. We need 1 more. We have 28 seconds left. I will get the double. Double gifting starting soon. Alright, everybody use the double. We need big gift. Small rose and barely count. So a big eye gift. Thank you for your finger heart. We need money gun too. Or even one hand heart or one donut. Anybody have a glove, please activate it. We have 12 seconds left. Thank you for your finger heart. Set up the account down fast. Anybody want to say one gift before you done?
2 minutes now. You see, I give me daily activity them.
Thank you for your perfume.
100 push up. See? Me daily active. So I want me to do.
Alright, we have 2 minutes left. We need the biggest gift we can get.
1,000.
Oh, you activate a glove. Me not sure now. Yes, more want a lion. If you send a lion, me make a video about you. So you get as much followers as you want. Me give a shout out. Alright, we just make a video for mama account then. Alright. Anybody want to send a lion, we take it. No, me never afraid of the camera. We need any gift we can get. That's what pass up. We have 1 minute and 18 seconds left. We need donut, anything. Move another lion that we need. We need more donuts so we can catch up. That's why we have 1 minute left. Thank you for your rose. Who eat man chicken? Nobody no eat man chicken and bury him dead. Thank you for your rose. We need an actual lion. We have 44 seconds left. We need some money going our hand heart so we can catch up Joshua so them can't snipe. What Emmanuel him down yard. Everybody, we have a glove. We need everybody to send a big gift them. We need a money gun or a hand heart. Thank you for your hand heart. We need any gift we can get. We need a money gun. Thank you for your hand heart. Thank you for your perfume. Him need not send no kitten. Everybody use the glove. We have 7 seconds left. Thank you for your finger heart and the donut. Everybody watch for your snipe. We still can. We win anyway. Thank you for your rose. See, we win. We have 8 win. Me not add no more matching up because me don't want to lose me 8 win. Alright. At least me get 8 win. Everybody thank you for 8 me win. We never get 8 win in a row yet. Him team weak, yes. Him insult him team and everybody come over here because nobody know want over film side. That's why it's a bad person. Him only really bad if him not like bad if him not like you because you do something to him. Everybody good night. We have 452 people on